Welcome to Genius Plus Twins. I'm Mrs. Spittle, and today we're going to learn the 3 times table. So if you're ready, let's go. When we multiply, we can think of groups instead of using the multiplication symbol. For example, 3 times 4 equals 12. You could think of that as 3 groups of 4 equaling 12. Or think of it as repeated addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. There are 3 groups with 4 in each group. Now, let me explain what each of the multiplications are, starting at 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 11 is 33. And 3 times 12 is 36. These numbers from 3 to 36 are what we call the multiples of 3. We could practice our multiplication table by skip counting by 3s. Let's practice skip counting together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Now, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. The answers for the 3 times table all add up to either 3, 6, or 9. Let me explain this in detail. 3 times 1 is 3. The answer is the number 3. 3 times 2 is 6. That's the second number your answer could be. 3 times 3 is 9, which is the third. Now is where I need to go into a little more detail. 3 times 4 equals 12. But if you take the 2 digits from the number 12, the 1 and the 2, add them together, you will get 3. If you take the answer for 3 times 5, which is 15, and you add the 2 digits together, the 1 and the 5, you will get the number 6. For the next one, 3 times 6 equals 18. If you take the numbers 1 and 8 and add them together, you will get 9. This continues for all of the 3 times tables. Now, remember, if your answer adds up to the number 3, the number 6, or the number 9, there's a good chance that you are correct. Okay, another strategy for learning the 3 times table would be holding up 3 fingers and counting by 3s. You would start with 1, 2, 3. Then you can continue to count using those 3 fingers. 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, followed by 10, 11, 12, then 13, 14, 15, then 16, 17, 18, then 19, 20, 21. Then you would be at 22, 23, and 24, followed by 25, 26, 27, then 28, 29, 30, followed by 31, 32, 33, and finally, your last 3 numbers, 34, 35, 36. Counting by 3s can be a really useful strategy for learning and remembering your 3 times tables. You can also think about it this way. When you are multiplying by 3, you triple the other number that you are multiplying 3 by. For example, 3 times 1. If you take the other number, in this case it's 1, and you triple it, you would get 3, which is the answer. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. In the next example, 3 times 2, When you're multiplying by 3, the other number is 2. If you triple 2, which would be 2 plus 2 plus 2, it equals 6. For 3 times 3, in this case, the other number is a 3. You would have 3 plus 3 plus 3, equaling 9. For the rest of the 3 times table, you could continue to triple the other number. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, click the like button and give me a thumbs up. Till next time, this is Mrs. Spitell.